Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we customize font size in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to customize your font size in your Realme phone, so friends you can customize. And guys, now let's see how to customize font size in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you, friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to customize it. After on phone setting guys, click on guys this function setting, guys tap here and guys click on font and display size and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your font size. So you can see guys there are 5 and 6 size: small, default, and as you can see this medium, large and very large. So friends, you can customize yourself guys into very large, large, medium, default and small. So we will guys customize into guys only medium size and guys apply here to customize. So you can see guys your font medium size. So like that guys you can customize yourself in your Realme phone your font size setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. And friends, you have any doubt related to guys your font and display size setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you.